Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Lesson 4, Learning Outcome Number 1. Our topic is Store Appetizer. Storing salads and appetizers is one of the most important activities done after preparing them to maintain freshness and to avoid spoilage. This lesson deals with storage of salads and appetizers using appropriate container to sustain quality and taste. Tools and equipment for storing appetizers: chillers, refrigerator, and containers for appetizers. Storing techniques. Storing foods could be done through the following techniques. First is to refrigerate or to keep food cold or cool. Second is by the use of cold storage, the process of preserving food by means of refrigeration. And third is chilling, to refrigerate or to reduce the temperature of the food. Sanitary practices when storing salads and appetizers. First, handle the food properly to prevent spoilage and contamination. Second, wash utensils and equipment thoroughly. Third, keep off-hand to a minimum contact to ingredients and food. Fourth, keep away from food when you are ill. Fifth, store food and ingredients properly. And number 6, safeguard the food during distribution and serving. You can chill to refrigerate or to reduce the temperature of the food, or you can also place it to a cold storage like refrigerator to preserve perishable foods. Examples of containers for appetizers. This is Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.